Alright, gonna check out Castillo episode 3. Let's begin.
So, my
Anybody
name is
can get this to that.
Katerina, and I am an actress and stand-up comedian. I'm here for
What's going on
love,
with all
definitely.
these
I mean, I haven't
actresses,
dated in quite
man?
a long time, so yeah, definitely looking to meet someone and see how it goes. My perfect man has to be funny because I do stand-up comedy, so they have to have great humour, obviously.
She look nice, but her
I'd
nose
say
is like
passionate, driven,
interrupting me. Even though
and just loyal and
I got
respectful
a
and
nose
respectful
too,
of my
but
time.
her
And
nose is like
yeah,
completely
funky.
straight, bro. Like
I deem love more important, definitely, when it comes to a relationship. Obviously, when it
she
comes
look
to
good
work,
though.
money is very important, but love for sure.
Would you ever be with a broke man?
I
Dude,
would be with someone who's broke.
lie.
Because
Fucking
I'm an independent
lie.
woman. I like to earn my own money, so I don't want to be relying on someone to take
So
care
you
of
will
me,
be with a
you know,
broke
use it
man
for me.
then?
On the
That's
first
a lie.
date, I will always get my purse out because I think it's just the polite thing to do, and it just shows that you have manners and that you're a polite person. However, sometimes when I'm sat there, I feel like my inner feminist is just like leaving my body, and it's like I'm waiting for them to jump in and say, "Don't worry, babe, I've
Listen,
got this." But
What's with the
I will
feminist
always offer.
bull crap, bro? Dude, honest to God, if a girl tell me she's a feminist, I'm heading. I want to fly so fast. If I could fly, I would leap out that bitch like Superman, bro. I'm not dealing with no freaking feminist, bro. Especially nowadays, feminists, to me,
Well, go on. You look nice.
they're like
Oh, thank
man
you.
haters,
You
bro.
look beautiful.
That's what I'm gonna think of feminists.
Thank you, thank you. I'm
Liking
trying.
this fur
I'm trying. Yeah.
Damn, these
So fancy.
It's rabbit fur and that. You
damn,
get
these
me?
British
Proper things.
girls
Yeah, proper things.
have shit, bro.
Yeah,
What
from
the hell?
Zara and that. You look nice. Where you from?
Thank
I don't know
you.
why I didn't
I'm
think
from
British girl have
Hertfordshire.
shit, but
Hertfordshire.
Yeah.
Nice,
probably some of the
nice.
images that I've
Do you
seen.
know, like, Stevenage, Hatfield?
Yeah, I had a few things up there, like around Hitchin and that.
Had a
you get
few
me?
things up there.
Yeah. So like, I know about them places there.
Okay.
Still.
You know that way. All
Yeah,
right,
but I
cool.
got to ask you something before
Yeah.
we start off or anything.
Go on,
like,
yeah.
Do you like black guys?
Do I like black guys? Love black guys.
Like in what
You
way,
know
like?
what? You know what I really like? Okay, this
this
is
nigga.
Idris Elba.
Mm.
Oh, love Idris Elba. In Luther.
I'm
You watched
glad
Luther?
he actually
Yeah,
asked her
I
that
agree with that,
because
You don't know
she-
like,
No.
you don't know like Idris
Yeah,
she's
Elba.
white
I'm just
and he's
saying,
black.
really
Some
hot.
white girls don't
Yeah.
really deal
Yeah.
with
Yeah.
the
Black
shadows, you know.
What do your parents think about that though?
My parents, they're not like racist or anything. Like
So they wouldn't mind me
with
the main
that.
event. They wouldn't mind that.
They wouldn't mind if you're black or black mixed race. Yeah.
Listen,
They would
listen, man.
I
It's
like
good to
that, I like
ask.
Well, I'm Greek anyway. I'm half Greek,
Greek?
Cypriot. Yeah.
You're
I'm
white,
Greek,
girl.
Cypriot, half English. So-
Exotic things. I like that.
Exotic.
Exotic
Listen, you know what's
things.
funny?
You get me? I like that.
If
I
someone
like
had
that.
look at her
Obviously,
and she
I'm
told them that
looking
she
for love.
they agree, they're gonna say, well, dude, but
I'm
you're
looking for
white.
serious
What
things,
then?
trying to settle down in that. You get me?
Yeah.
What do you think about sex on the first date?
I personally wouldn't have sex on the first date, but if a woman decided to have sex on the first date, I wouldn't like judge them for it because I know sometimes you just get really horny and it happens.
It just happens
And
like
it
that.
just happens.
We got to cheers to that. It just happens. You get me?
Okay.
I love that.
I try not to have sex on the first date, just because if I'm serious about someone, I sort of want to, see how it goes,
Prestige
and then
in
you've
that.
got something to look forward to as well.
Get me trying to protect the gift in that. You get me?
well, yeah, just kind of see what
I feel you can't be giving out the non.
Yo, this is crazy.
You get me? You gotta.
This man is in non-bread.
Yeah, exactly. Not
Look at it, he got her laughing and shit.
So
My
I gotta
Castillo
ask you
is
this
like
as well.
a funny
My
ass
DMs
dude
is a
too,
mad
bro.
thing.
have you got a lot of DMs?
My DMs is a mad thing. I got girl from North London, South, East, West, Galchester, Birmingham, all of that.
What's the worst DM like you've ever had from a girl? Like
The worst?
the worst one. Like, what's the most shocking been?
Like I've had like girl message me their non-bread and that, but the worst
Really?
one was when a girl messaged me. I saw the back off. The back off was looking mad.
Yeah.
I was like, yo, turn around. It was a dick, bruv.
Oh,
No word
shit.
of a lie.
Oh my
Ball
god.
bags and all of that,
What
bruv.
did you reply to it? Did
No,
you
bruv.
You didn't say.
No, bruv. But shout out to the LGBT community, bruv. You get me? You
Yeah,
got-
yeah.
This
Yeah,
man,
was
bro.
feeling a bit saucy that day. He thought, you know
Yeah.
what, let me show man my ball bags and that. So it's his choice. You get me?
Nothing
Got to
wrong-
respect the
there's nothing wrong with
choice.
sending a nude. Although
Uh,
I've never sent, like, a
Don't
dick.
send a
That's
straight dude your
fine.
nudes if
I read
you're
that.
gay, bro.
I read
That's
that.
Send a
freaking
nude, like
weird.
like a full
That's
nude.
like
You shouldn't
invading
have to
someone
send,
in
like,
privacy. If
something.
you don't want
Who was it
anybody
that you sent the
invade
nude?
your shit, why would you do that to somebody? That's
Can
kind
you
of
trust
weird,
him,
bro.
though? Could you trust him?
Yeah, yeah. and I
Because you
think
never
it's-
know, your phone could be all up in Checkers or Douglas Stan right now. You would never know.
I'm not like, wow, I wouldn't want this to be all on like sites or something. Yeah.
Speaking
no.
of which, I made a sex tape.
I made a sex tape.
I like to watch my.
With a boyfriend, I've made a sex tape. Yeah, with a boyfriend, but not with like a random person.
So where is the tape?
See, the thing is, I've done that off a random person or some next thing I met at a rave, innit? And then
was it awkward?
we went back to her yard and we was getting into the thing, and her brethren started filming me.
Oh, this story, this is one of you,
The girl
Cheyenne.
was a bit mad, just filming me in the background and that. You get me? And it was a bit.
It was, yeah.
Yeah, you get
it
me?
sounds like a full-on porno.
Yeah, it's a bit mad. I feel like.
Can I get it anywhere if I want to watch it? Is it up?
Now I feel like I ought to tell the feds about that. You know, it's a bit mad. Like, I'll never become president now because this is mad, incriminating information like that. You get me? Man weren't really prepared for that. She just caught me off guard.
Yeah,
you get me?
I'd be quite shocked by that. I think it's like consent as well. Like you've got to consent to
You
things
got to
like
respect
that.
consent. You get me?
Well, you do. You can't just.
I like
you
that.
can't just be whipping out your phone and like filming someone having sex.
Big man thing. I like that. But this is what I wanted to ask you though. So are you a jealous person though?
I'm very secure in myself. However,
Is she the
I don't know,
feminist?
Say we're here having this date, right? And say a girl who you used to, I don't know, hook up with comes up to you and is like hugging you and you're like, oh my God, I'm so happy to see you. I would be sitting here getting a little bit jealous, yeah.
And then when she turned around to you and was like, what are you looking at, you slag, bruv? Don't watch me.
I wouldn't call her a slag.
No, but what she said that to you, what are you going to do? You're going to...
Oh,
What are you going to do? You're going to bust her up?
Yeah, 100%.
Really?
No.
What's your move then? What's your move that you're going to do?
What's my move?
Yeah, like when she
Really?
said, why are you watching me? Let's get all blood. Why are you watching me? And she's a road gal, innit? So she's on a mad thing.
Yeah.
You get me? So she's like, I don't know.
road
Celine,
gal. Probably I thought ghetto or something. I don't know about the UK version of ghetto.
Yeah? And then she starts putting it
Shut
on
up,
you.
gal.
I just give her a strong
Box, yeah.
backhand, like a Peggy Mitchell, EastEnders
Peggy
vibe.
Mitchell
Like
Oh, really?
And call the feds.
Damn, she got a backhand.
yeah.
You would call the feds?
Ooh.
You work with the feds?
Call the feds, yeah, of course, yeah.
Okay, look,
on,
okay.
on her.
Okay,
On
her.
her,
No,
not on you.
okay.
No, not on you. You haven't done,
I got a
you haven't
spongy for
done
that.
anything wrong.
I like that. I like. So let me ask you this though. This is like, leads into my next question. Yeah. Okay. So I do a mad thing. Yeah.
You do a mad thing.
I do a mad thing. Yeah. The
what
feds
does
come
that
and get me.
Oh, you do? Okay, I was
I
thinking.
do a mad thing.
Right,
yeah.
okay.
The feds come. Nothing zesty in it. Nothing zesty in that. Yeah. I do
She
a
don't
mad
even know
thing.
that. She don't know the
Feds come and
slangs,
get
bruh.
me, Yeah.
Yeah.
They kick down your door. They take me. It's a mad thing. Like you're like, yo, what's going on? Yeah.
Okay.
I'm about to do 10 years with the man them up in there, bruv. They want to take my body. It's mad. I'm a good looking guy.
To be one of those prison magnets that keeps visiting you and being like, oh, and then I have to write you letters.
Exactly. Will you hold it down?
I don't know if I'm about that.
Oh, I like how she's being honest
I don't want
though.
to be one of those prison women. You know those girls who date like guys who are in prison and then they're writing them letters like.
So then how soon after are you on another willy after I've been locked up? After they put me there?
But how long have we been together at this point?
It's been a year. You get me?
been a
That's
year.
a
1
time.
year, bro.
That's still quite a
That's.
long time to be with someone. I don't think I'm gonna like.
Nah, wait, bro. A year
How
is
long,
very
bruh?
short, bro.
What's the estimate? 3 to 5 business days.
A year is very short, man. I'm
What
thinking
are we
about
talking
it.
about?
10
International
years,
things, 2 weeks.
mad.
I'll take my time. I think when I usually like if a relationship
I don't believe that,
ends
man.
for
Let's
me,
be
I
real,
take
bro.
a bit
Anybody
long.
go to prison that long, I feel
Months
like
until
somebody
it's
gonna
tested
do
with someone
something,
else. Yeah, I
and
don't like jump
if
in
they
straight
wait this,
away
they're gonna
with someone.
You're not gonna
do
write a letter
something,
or
bro.
nothing.
I'm just gonna be
Hey,
honest,
why
bro.
did
I
you
don't
go
care how
to
nice
school?
the person
Because
is.
I
was
did
it?
a mad thing.
Was it like drug dealing or something?
No, I literally had to clap man's whole face off. He's no longer here, bruv. R.I.P. to him and everybody in his bloodline. He's
Yeah.
gone. You never see man again. He's a ghost.
I could be with a murderer. I don't know.
Mad thing.
Dunno.
But then wouldn't you find that a bit sexy though? The fact that I done clap man's head
Is
off.
it like a family sort of thing?
Man got rude and I had to clap his face off, bruv. Went over to his yard, clapped off everybody. Like the whole family tree had to
Dude, that's kind of
I had to wipe off everything.
Dark.
There's nothing left.
How could I bring a murderer home to my mum and dad?
But wouldn't excite you though. You wouldn't at the corner of your mind like, yo, he's a bit sexy, a bit like, yeah, killing people.
Not really. No.
Never.
Okay, if you like, I don't know, if you just sort of like rough someone up a little bit, okay, maybe that's a bit of a turn on.
Yeah,
Okay,
that-
but not
that-
like full on murder.
yeah.
I
That's
rate you for
dark,
being
bro.
honest. You
Yeah.
get me? I rate you for being
Good,
honest,
good.
yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, let's change the topic.
Yeah, she's very honest, bro. He's testing her. He's testing her, but she's honest. I'm not gonna lie.
How freaky are you?
I'm quite
Oh,
kinky. I like handcuffs and things like
Handcuffs.
that. Yeah, a little bit kinky, but not like, I won't wear like a gimp mask or something.
You like whipping man in that?
You can whip me like with a spanking paddle, like a paddle. You can get these like paddles, right? And they have little like air holes in them. So then if you spank me, it will leave like a little mark, which is quite. I think that's quite hot.
oh, okay.
I feel
That's
you.
quite hot, yeah.
I must have beat a thing in Tinseltown toilets once.
In what?
Tinseltown in
Where's-
what's it? Farringdon. You know Farringdon?
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
I
I beat
know
a thing in
Farrington.
Tinseltown toilets. Like we literally went on a date, And in the moment this caught her, she was like, come with me. I was
Yeah.
like, oh, where we going? I was like, oh, where we going? Yeah.
So do you say you do really well on dates then, that women just like have to have sex with you straight away?
She was salivating. I could see it in her face. She wanted the main event. I could see it. I could see all of her face. I knew it. But then when she was taking me to the bathroom, then she takes me to the ladies' toilets, and I was like, oh God, now I'm going to be on the register, bruv. What's going on? I want to be there. I think I'm caught chlamydia or something, bruv. It's a bit mad.
Oh.
Yeah, bruv.
Okay.
Have you ever slept with a celebrity, a famous person?
No, I've never slept with a famous person.
I'm surprised, you know. I'm very
You're
surprised.
surprised?
Yeah, you're a beautiful woman. I thought, do you get what I mean? Your Instagram would be popping. Footballers and that.
I haven't, no. I've had like...
Yeah, she's
some
pretty.
famous
She's good looking,
people
bro.
slide in the DMs, but I haven't
She got
like
the
gone
straight
out
ass.
and,
She got
like,
a
slept with them or
extra
anything.
straight
Because also
nose
it's like, I
though,
don't wanna
but
date someone just because they're famous.
she's
Like they're kind of famous.
lovely
Like
looking,
Gus from
and she got a
EastEnders.
nice shape too.
No, but
Keith.
someone from EastEnders actually did slide
Is
in
it
my
Keith?
DMs.
Keith from
Wait.
EastEnders.
Keith? Who?
Remember
She
Keith?
sound like she's from.
Keith from
He was
EastEnders?
like dad and he wore like
Did
the
she
jacket
mention where
and
she's
like,
from?
yeah,
She's
Keith.
so
No, I don't know
Irish.
that at all.
Keith, you go. How about Trevor? Remember
The
Trevor from
accent.
EastEnders?
I remember Trevor.
Because I watch
yeah,
Love
the
Island,
wife-
so
Peter,
I
the
kinda
wife
pick up on the
Peter.
accent sometime, but
Yeah.
she kinda sound Irish.
No, he hasn't.
It
slid
could
in
be
yet.
Scottish.
What, like an
And
extra,
we're both
like Winston?
It
Irish.
wasn't.
Right, the random black brother.
No,
that's walking
it
through
wasn't
the
extra.
little-
It was somebody who's actually like had like a long running part on EastEnders and stuff. Yeah.
Shout out to Phil, bruv.
It wasn't.
Don't know, bruv. Shout out to Phil, bruv. I saw him one time in Ealing, bruv. He's a good
Oh my God! What
Mitchell's
the
not really my
hell?
type, so no.
guy. You don't like the bald look?
No, my dad's bald. My dad's bald. Doesn't that be like your dad?
Mad thing. I don't know all about it. We don't condone that here, bruv. On the
Yeah.
Clout Chasers show, bruv. We don't condone that. You get me? We're not on that. I'm really looking for love. I'm really looking for that.
Dude, you're not
It's a
looking
good
for
place to be.
shit.
Yeah.
You
How
and
was your
Cheyenne
last relationship?
aren't looking
It
for
was
no
literally just before the
love.
pandemic started,
You
so
guys are just doing
March
your show
2020
business,
it
bro.
ended,
Let's be real.
And then since then I've been single.
So why did it end?
Well, you know what? We just wanted different things. Like, we kind of got together very quickly. And then we ended up just, wanting different things. Like, I do stand-up comedy.
Ooh,
and
nice.
he does comedy as well. And I think there was this sort of, like, competitiveness between us.
Oh,
Basically,
comedian.
what
Dude,
we
I don't know if she the.
You do stand-up comedy.
I don't think I don't know.
Yeah.
Tell me a joke. You got to make.
Oh
a joke.
no,
Most of them are
no!
quite inappropriate,
Don't
like,
do
big
that,
jokes
bruh.
and, like,
Okay, let's go.
and like dating jokes and
Yeah,
things
that's
like
fine.
that. So one guy said to me, he said, are you a New Year's resolution? Because I plan on doing you for the first few weeks of January and then forgetting about you for the rest of 2020.
Mad
That's one
thing.
chat line
That's a
I had.
bit mad still.
Yeah, and
I
that
like
did
that
actually happen to me as well.
For real?
Yeah, so that was quite
So you got the
sad.
naan bread and you just
And
ghosted.
then he just went, yeah. I
Wow.
was in a resolution, basically.
So I want you to tell me if.
Wait, is that a joke?
You're really funny. Would you do stand-up comedy?
Nah,
Why?
because life.
He's
is
pretty
not
funny, though.
Life is a mad thing for me right now.
To be
bruv.
fair though, most of the things that are funny in stand-up is like you moaning about life anyway.
I
Like
got
stuff
I
like
got 2 jokes. Yeah.
that. Alright, okay.
One of them somebody told me, and it used to make me bust up, but it's a bit of a mad one, yeah? And the other one is a joke that I would tell. So I got a funny joke that I would say to people, be like, to man them, like, your dick's so small, you pee on your own balls, bruv. That's dope. That's jokes, isn't it? Yeah, you're busting up. You like that?
I
Yeah?
mean, it's quite silly. It's very silly.
It's very silly.
silly humour.
Silly joke. But then this is the joke somebody told me. It was told to me by a guy in college. Yeah, he was a grunger. You know what grungers are?
I don't know what the
grunge
fuck that
as in,
is.
Like grungy.
He was like a gothic guy.
A gothic guy.
Yeah,
okay.
he
Oh,
had
goth.
long hair.
Oh God.
Like, he kind of gave me like Unabomber vibes. I'm not gonna lie. I felt he was gonna rap off the whole school. I was very afraid of him. That's why I befriended him, because I thought if he was gonna go and lock off the whole thing, bruv, he would remember his one black brethren and be like, yo, and he saved me, bruv, and then he also be gone, bruv.
Right,
But
okay.
just a quick story about him. Yeah, I went on his Facebook the other day. Yeah, and he's on some EDO thing. It's a mad thing.
What?
EDM.
What's that?
What does that even
EDM?
mean?
Morris Robinson and them man there. He's one of them man. He shaved his gothic hair. Now
Okay,
He went to a
right,
goth
right.
to a racist, bruv. I couldn't even write that.
Okay,
Yeah,
right.
he's now a racist goth man.
Yeah.
But this is the
Oh,
joke that he told
okay.
me. He said,
Yeah.
why did the girl fall off the swing?
Why did the girl fall? Why?
Because she had no arms. That's a bit mad, isn't
That's
it?
an awful joke.
Yeah, that's because I should have clocked that he was a sick youth from back then.
That's
He was
a,
a mad
yeah,
guy.
no, that's a
Dude, that's
bad
not
joke.
even
That's
funny,
a
bruh.
bad, yes, but he shout to him. I don't know what he's going through, bruv, but Black Lives Matter, bruv. Don't be moving mad, bruv. Yeah. What you think about black people? No, I'm just joking. I'm taking it. I try and mess you up. I'm not going to do that. This one I want to ask you, though, yeah?
Yeah.
Who's your favourite rapper?
Dude, this nigga is funny,
Stormzy.
bro.
I do actually love his stuff.
What's
I
your
think he's-
Oh,
favourite
Stormzy.
song?
The one that's so ever.
Yeah, even
you know the song?
He is obviously.
Dude,
I'm not
he's
very good
getting
at
there.
naming songs. The song where he's what's the song?
I don't even know, bruv. You tell me. You know them people when you say, I know about him.
Stormzy, I do like his rap music. I just can't name the song.
If Stormzy came in right now, bruv, and he started splashing out cash and all that stuff, he just put out a rack of money, pulled out in the range outside, got the big yard, all of that, and he came out, started flashing his money. Would he be able to steal you from me?
Not I'm not really impressed by someone just throwing money.
He's got the big boy rollie though. The rollie is mad.
Yeah.
Diamonds and that.
I don't like when guys do that though, the whole like Rolex thing.
But then he pulls out the keys, it's like an Audi R8. It's got the futuristic thing for the year 3033, the shit flies.
Yeah, no, cars mean nothing to me at all.
Dude, I don't know, man. She in this moment, she's probably just saying that.
He's hot, like... I would think he was very attractive, but I wouldn't be tempted because he was showing me his Rolex and his fancy car. Because
I know a lot of
that's
girls
just
like
But
materialistic.
what if he
shit.
actually
like
come
that.
through
You got the
smooth?
quick. You just gotta be like, yo, rollie, and then that's it.
What if he
Girls
come
do this
through
thing,
smooth
like,
though?
I actually did a sketch about it, right? Where we're on a date. Say I have my phone at the table. Where I'll
Dude,
take
I'm
a
gonna
picture,
actually
but I just won't put your face in,
look
I'll
up her
keep
name if I
watching.
see her name again,
And
and
then they'll
then
put it on their story and be like, date night.
see if she's actually
And
funny.
girls
I don't know,
do
man. I
that.
can't
Girls
judge
do
her
that
from
all
this
the
one
time.
thing, but she kind of
It's
cool.
Yeah,
But I
girl
don't
go
know
to
if she
Dubai,
funny,
get the wheel
funny.
on, bruv. It's a mad thing. Full we in their face, bruv.
A bit okay,
Yeah,
right,
so the
right.
girl are moving mad out here for the money. That's why I'm on this thing, trying to find out if it's love or money.
Yeah,
Love or
I
clout.
think, yeah. So is that why you're on this show, basically?
That's why I'm trying to find the right
find the right woman,
Yeah,
right?
Wait,
okay.
how did
But I'm
Dudley
gonna ask you
get
this,
this
yeah,
girl
so
to
like,
interview? That's the
We're here
next
together,
thing
I'm
too.
looking at you, you're looking at me. I could tell you my favourite feature about you.
Yeah, fair. I'm looking at you, right? But your sunglasses are so dark, I cannot see your eyes. Eyes are the window to the soul.
It's a lot of dangerous stuff. It's a
There's
lot of demons. you might lose your life. It's
But
mad.
why are you
Oh
wearing
my
sunglasses
God.
when we're inside?
I'm protecting myself from the demons, the frequencies. Right?
Oh my
Can't let
God,
people
that
into my
dude.
soul. Otherwise the
Him
thing-
and Andrew Tate freaking love wear glasses, bro. It's so interesting that they actually brought out the freaking eyeglass.
I'll lose my mind.
Okay.
I can't do that. That's why. But my favorite features on you. You got beautiful hair and beautiful eyes. You got
Oh,
beautiful eyes.
thank you.
Yeah.
Eyes. A lot of people say my eyes are my best.
Yeah,
features,
it's
so
very
thank
like
you.
piercing. I like that stuff.
Thanks.
So
She
if
got
you
a
broke
nice
up with
face
the guy,
shape.
the sex was dead.
Probably, yeah.
How much leeway did you give him? Like first time, second time? You're like, bruv.
To be fair,
your
when you have
willy's 2 inches, bruv. It's
when
not
you have
gonna
sex
work.
with someone the first time, it sometimes isn't going to be amazing, just because you don't. Sometimes you don't know what each other like what you're both into. So you can let that slide.
Yeah.
But if it's gone to like, I don't know, you've had sex 5 times and it's still not there, I feel like you need to communicate it with them.
What's your pet peeve
at
during
least.
sex?
A pet peeve.
Like what's something a guy does like this gives you the ick? Not even during sex. What gives you the ick?
Okay, I don't mind dirty talk. That's fine, but I don't like when people like
Too much.
whisper it in your ear.
What do you mean?
Ew. Just like it's very like really softly, like a soft whisper.
Like what, on some Night Stalker thing?
Like just a soft whisper. Like a guy did just
Like,
once where he like softly whispered in my ear. And I was like, weird.
Mad thing.
But I don't mind dirty talk. It just has to be like vocalized loudly.
That's probably
not
weird as hell, bro.
ears.
Talk. How soon do you get into the dirty talk?
I don't think not on the first time you have sex. I think you should build.
Dude,
I think you should
these
You can't be calling
girls
someone
that
like
seem
a
innocent
date
are some of the
like first time you've
freakiest
had sex.
You gotta let that marinate. You get me? You gotta
No.
let it take.
creatures that
Actually,
walk the
right,
earth,
someone
man.
who's
Seriously,
bad.
the innocent
He
looking
called me
ones.
Slapper on Instagram. It slid into my DMs. He called me Slapper.
What's his Instagram so we can tell him to suck his mum, bro? Disrespecting the gal, then, bro. You don't do them things.
But I just think that's such an old school word as well. Would you call a girl a slapper? That's such like that's so EastEnders, isn't it?
Like, what does that mean though? Like a slapper?
A slapper's like a slag, a slut. It's
Like a dirty gal. Like,
yeah.
yeah, no,
Dirty
It's
gal.
just such an old word.
I don't really
Dirty
consult with them and
gal.
stuff like that. I think it's a bit mad. I can't argue with gal. Then it's like
nice.
I feel like if I'm doing that, then next thing I got to be on RuPaul's Drag Race, bruv. Arguing with gal and that. You get me?
Oh, I get it. That was actually pretty funny though.
What's like your limits for the guy? Like, how much does a guy have to be earning to date you?
Well, here's the thing. I wouldn't ask that on a date though. I wouldn't on a first date be like, right, how much are you earning? Because it's just such like it's so materialistic.
But you gotta know that because what if like you get with man, he's like, yo, you meet in a club, you've seen rollies, bottles, all of that, and the next day he's like, yo, babes, I gotta quickly head to job centre to get that universal credit. What happens then?
I've been out with a lot of poor guys though, a lot of poor men, and it hasn't like.
What's your definition of poor though? Like what you got to turn his
Well, no,
boxes
this
inside
was-
out
this-
and shit. So
no.
like, we use that.
This
Yeah,
is really
because that's
stupid.
actually
This is where
poor.
I
But that's
drew
just said
the line,
average
actually.
guys,
Like, we'd been dating
average.
for a little bit, and then
Because
he
she
was
said
like,
poor
I
is
can't,
like
I can't come and see you
can
today
rent,
because,
can
like,
do their
I
shit.
can't
What
afford
about average
petrol
guys?
to get to.
But that's not bad, though.
Bearing in mind, he only lived like 20 minutes away. And I
Imagine.
was like, no.
You could have
that's-
walked, man.
that's
I would have been a
that's
disciple for the
mistake.
naan bread. I would have literally been like, yo.
Would have got on the bike.
Now I would have walked it. You get me? Quick little brisk essential walks in that. You get me?
This
You
man
get
say
what
you've
I've
been a
travelled
disciple.
many lengths and far and
I've
very
travelled-
far places for the
I've
naan.
travelled for the D.
How far have you travelled for the D?
I mean, definitely out of the M25. Yeah.
what we talking
I've
about?
gone past
Where
the
is
M25
how far?
to get to
How
the
far is
D.
that?
Where's that like Slough? Slough is a mad
Like, it's got to be within reach. Isn't
So how
it?
far did you travel though? Like if we had to give a city.
Minutes,
Birmingham.
minutes, in minutes.
I've been to Birmingham. Yeah, I dated a
Milton
guy in
Keynes and that.
Birmingham.
Dude, I don't know
Well,
the
actually,
friggin'
my ex-boyfriend
places,
lived in
bruh.
Milton Keynes,
So is that
Give
how
me
far
my
you travelled
minutes.
for the Willy and that.
for the D, yeah.
I travelled all the way to Portsmouth for some naan bread.
Was
Portsmouth-
it worth the journey?
To be fair, it was, you know, because she ended up being like a stripper. It was just a bit awkward because when we went out, Bear Man was watching her, and I was like, how you know these people? These are your neighbours and that. Like.
But surely, right, if you're looking for someone who's like not obsessed with money and is just like all about you and in love with you, surely in a way it might be a good thing to date someone like a stripper because they're earning their own money. They're not like
No.
you know.
That means Bear Man have seen my gal's naan bread. It's kind of a weird feeling, bruv. Like, you get me?
Yeah, that's the
Man
next
just coming up to
thing.
me, chatting to me, and with my gal, and they're just looking up and down like, raw, like, I seen everything, bruv. I seen it in HD, bruv. Seen that shit in 4K, bruv. Give me another example of what you mean by, like, broke.
To be fair, like, I have a lot of friends though who are on like universal credit and stuff like that. Because when you're like a creative, like sometimes you're just out of work and you have to be, you know.
So then what if he's like, yo,
That's not
babes,
really
like, he's
broke,
universal
then.
credit thing is like, yo, babes.
I don't know. I don't know all the UK situation goes. So universal credit, that means you're broke. I don't know how that goes, man.
Street Dreams Volume 1.
Not from the UK, so I wouldn't really know.
Like, babes, this is gonna be the one, yeah. And you're like, bruv, you're gonna wait for him until he blows up, or you're
I
gonna
think it's
leave?
good that he has passion for something,
Yeah.
that he's got passion for his music and whatever. And yeah, I probably would stay with him, but if it's like, oh yeah, I'm working on my music, but then in the evening, yeah, I'm, you know, getting high and whatever, it's like, okay, well, you're not really.
Yeah,
committing
that's
to your
understandable.
work.
That's
Would you
basically
take it
lazy.
instead?
That's basically a lazy
I
situation.
think
right?
quite hard.
Would you be honest and be like, babes, I'll be
That
honest
would be
with you.
quite hard to support, yeah.
So would you go up to me like, babes, let's call a spade, like your mixtape's dead, like, what are we saying? Would you tell him that? Would you be real with him?
I feel like you should be honest with people. I don't think I could be with someone and just be like, oh my god, yeah, your music's so cool, and then in my head I'm thinking, oh my god, it's fucking shit. So
you tell him to his face and crush his soul.
I think I would say, but I wouldn't say it like that. I wouldn't say, oh, your music's dead.
So how would you say it? How would you
I
give
would
it to him?
like, you know, a soft blow, like not.
But what if then he says like, babes, you know the music was keeping me going. I'm gonna jump in front of this train now. It's ruined my life.
But then I wouldn't want to be with someone that insecure who's gonna like just suddenly go jump off a bridge because I've said their music's bad.
Big man.
Yeah,
I
that's
like that. I like that. I rate that.
understandable.
That's
That's
support
actually
right
pretty
there.
good,
Have you ever
right?
supported a man for his hard times?
What, with money?
Yeah.
No, because I'm a creative. I've got no money myself. So.
Oh damn. Both of you
Wow,
back together.
that's
How can I
crazy.
Mad thing.
She
How could a
would
man
never
with No
help.
money charm you.
You could do,
And he ain't got no
you could
money.
do a cute picnic or something like that. That's not.
So you
That doesn't
wouldn't-
cost a lot of money. to
so you
do,
wouldn't
a
judge
cute
him?
No, a picnic's cute. I think that's not. If you put a lot of effort in and thought into it, I think that's quite sweet.
So what, like
It's
1,
nice.
2 Blossom Hill?
It's quite a nice little date, I think.
What happens after that? He's like, yo, babes, you gotta jump on the bus now. We gotta jump on the E7. What are you saying?
Bus is fine. I don't mind getting on a bus.
I like that. You see,
I'm
you're a
fine
real
getting
one
on
for that.
buses. It's fine.
You're a real one for that. A lot of girls wouldn't do that. They'd be like, bruv, fuck you in your petrol station sandwich, bruv. And there's the thing. What would you do if on the date you know in the park
Yo.
and the man them come up to me like, yo, pussy, yo, move, bruv. Idiot. And he's like, oh shit, I'm sorry. What would you do then?
I do like a guy who's going to stand their ground and not be like, oh my god, I'm so sorry. Like, no.
They said
One thing
Why
weird.
should he move?
Why don't you mash him up then?
You know what's funny? She was mentioning the feminist situation, right? But why, if you're a feminist and you want equality, why wouldn't you want to defend yourself as a feminist? Why would you want a man to be strong? I thought feminists hate strong men. They hate masculinity. Very interesting.
What are you saying? Were you gonna back
But
him?
hey,
Like,
what did I
like,
know?
bruv, he's like, no.
What do
no,
I
I will
know?
not move. I will not. No. And he's like, bro, dickhead. Next thing
Man,
you
the
see,
woke.
bare man
I'm just gonna
stepping
say
on
this,
him,
man. The woke.
turning
When
the
they
man
lift
Yeah.
the
to
woke
kill you,
ideology,
bruv. They're just stepping on him,
it's
bruv.
very
It's a mad thing.
they've
If
contradicted
I was with
themselves
guy,
a lot,
right, and if someone
like
approached him and he looked
crazily
like
a lot. And
attack him.
I'm
I would
wondering
say
if they're
to
that
the guy,
stupid
I'm
or
like,
they
"Okay, let's
actually
just
know
move."
that they're
Like, I wouldn't want to cause a conflict.
talking about bullshit,
What
but
do you
they
do if he
just
started
keep
being
on
fully on it? He's like,
screwing
"Yeah,
their
give me some."
nonsense. I don't know,
He wants
man.
to start
It's
taking off
crazy
his
to me.
clothes.
No, that's embarrassing. No.
So you don't like that,
Nah,
how he's
whoa.
behaving himself?
No, we're not taking off their clothes and being like, "Oh yeah, you want some." No, that's embarrassing. Like, handle things with dignity. Walk away and be like, "Oh, all right, mate, I'm gonna move."
So you won't
like,
think he's a pussy, or?
no, I won't think he's a pussy for that.
So then if he gets mashed up, yeah, and then you go home, you're going to give him the naan bread.
After he's just been beaten up by
You got
someone.
mashed up, he's like, babes, babes, and they're like, shut up, and he's weighing him in, bruv, just on some matching, there's busting him up.
Yeah.
He's back at home now, he's
He
got
might not be
black eye.
capable to have sex after that though. If he's just been beaten up.
Answer the
But once you
question,
want the naan
man.
bread, he's like, yo, babes, I just want some of that. You're going to be like, fam, you got
I
back.
would just like give him a hug or something. Make him
Oh, give him a
I like
hug.
that.
Oh
Yeah.
my
Yeah.
God.
That's dope.
Yeah.
I got to rate that. That's,
Give him a
that's a
hug.
nice thing to do.
See, bruh?
Yeah.
See, they said they want to toxic masculinity, but if you get your ass beat, that's it for you, bruh. That's it for you.
I think what makes me loyal is that, say we've been on a few dates already and we've already built like a little connection between us, why would I then ditch you to just go with someone who's got money? I don't know anything about that person. I don't know what they, I don't know anything about them.
I don't
All
know,
is
man.
that they've got a
She,
nice Rolex and
to
nice
me,
car. Like, that doesn't make
she's
a person
giving the
nice,
best
or like I want to
answers. I don't know if
something
she's
that
very,
doesn't.
she
So,
seemed
yeah, I think
innocent.
that's what makes me loyal. Anyway.
Based on her
Maybe they
answers
give you
more
a
than
little
the
quick
other
one-night
two.
thing
Cause others
to
two
come
say
back
some questionable stuff in their interview, but
no, not just based
her,
on the fact that they have a nice
she
watch.
hasn't been
Trying
that
to fly you up
controversial
Maldives
so
and that.
far.
I would love to go to the Maldives, to be fair.
See, there you go.
I would
See,
love
that's
to
how it
go,
starts.
but I wouldn't sleep with someone
That's
to
how
go
it
to
starts.
the Maldives.
That's where it start, man. He's telling you where it
So I've
starts.
had a great date. Yeah, it's been a great time with you, getting to know you and all of that. How have you felt about this date?
I've had a lot of fun. It's been good. Yeah, I feel
I
like
like
we've got a little
We've
vibe.
connected in
We've
that.
connected. We've got on a deeper level with things a little bit. Yeah, I've
And,
had
and
fun.
she was laughing a
Now,
lot, bruh.
Yeah, you know I'm trying to find true love. Show is called Clout Chasers. Yeah. So if I was to choose you, could I rely on you?
Yeah, 100%. I think we've built a little, like I said, I think we've built a bit of a connection.
I don't know, bruh. I don't think she's ready for the roadman style, bruh.
And, like,
I
where
don't
am
think
and
so,
how I'm at
man.
in life. So yeah.
What are your traumas?
There's a lot. You get me?
Yeah.
If I take these